place. And God says, wake up. I've been trying to save you from the beginning. If you can see down the line, that person is going to hurt you. They're going to break your heart. They're going to destroy you. They're going to take you out the church. Trust me, because he says, I am the beginning and the ending. I know what your tomorrow holds.
That's word. That's word.
God is saying, I'm trying to pull you out of the world. But instead of you looking forward, you looking back, which makes me think that you want to go back and party some more. God is saying, you're making me feel like I'm wasting my time. I wish I could drink a little more. I wish I could look at a little porn for a few more weeks. And God said, I'm trying to pull you out of that.
Preach, preach.
And spring forward. Have you noticed that even when somebody leaves the church, that's why they are called a backslider? Because they have gone away from God. They have gone back to the world that God had just brought them out of.
My.
I think it was Solomon that said in Proverbs, he said, he compared it to a dog that returns to his own vomit. And some of you said, Myron, that's disgusting and that's graphic. But it's the same thing that you do when you go back to the sin that God just delivered you out of.
Come on.
It's sad that when God takes pornography out of you, and he takes fornication out of you, and he takes lying and cussing and rebellion and all kind of immoral, all kind of ungodly spirits for you to do good for a few weeks just to go back and just to start playing around with that same sin. God says you are no better than a dog that had just threw up, went back and licked it back up.
Jesus. Jesus.
God is saying, when I push that mess out of you, when I bring that mess out of you,
Hallelujah.
he says, I'm trying to heal you and trying to help you.
Hallelujah.
And instead you go back and ingest the very thing that makes you sick in the first place. Oh, help me in this house tonight, Lord. Yeah. We're almost compared. I'm finished. Come on, Jerry. I'm finished. It's almost comparable. It's almost comparable to the children of Israel.